Hi everyone, it's Tim. I am down in the lower part of my property, not the lowest part down by the river, but kind of the midway part. You can see the caboose back up behind me, and I am down in the Paw Paw patch. So it's that time of year when you get lots of pawpaws and they fall off the tree. You'll see over here, I've got some on the tree there, and this is the bigger variety right there. And I tend to like that better. But over here, you can see that there's quite a few laying on the ground. And that's usually when you know they are ripe, when they start falling like that. But you have to actually touch them, and if they're squishy, they're probably ready to go. Anyway, they're a really interesting plant, and I just wanted to show you those today while they're in season. So here's some of the fruit of the bigger variety. And I'm gonna touch it here, and that's still a little hard. So is that one, a bit hard. Still, I'm gonna switch over to this other tree here. That's almost ready there. Not quite to probably where they should be. So these trees are native to the United States. And they're hard to find as far as fruit is concerned because they perish pretty quickly. And that's the problem. You tend to get them all at once. Looking to see if there's any left on this tree. Yeah, it looks like there's a few back there. And then you've got too many, so you have to give a lot away. And here's some nice big ones really down low. And that one is probably ready. Oh, this one definitely is. And they just fall off really easy. And you basically just slice them open and eat them like custard, which is great. And they taste like a banana, almost like a banana cream pudding almost. They're really, really good. I really like them. They have big, big seeds though. So, and I prefer this variety. And of course, do I know what variety it is? No, because I bought them so long ago, these plants, and I don't remember. But I want to show you the little variety here is very prolific, and they tend to fall all over the place. And you can see them all over the ground here, and you can kind of just come up and pick them up. And so you can see how much smaller they are. And I'm surprised the groundhogs have not gotten these already. And sometimes these little ones, I think, fall before they're ready, and I don't know why, but they do. But I've got 3 trees down here. They're in full sun. Everybody says, well, they shouldn't be in full sun, but obviously it's working because I'm getting plenty of pawpaws. And if you'll see, they lean in a weird way. I am on this lovely hill below my house. You can see the caboose in the house up there. But they seem to be doing really well. I had a house in Pennsylvania, and I had a pawpaw tree, and it never bore any fruit at all. And it was as big as this one over here, and it never did anything. But these I really like. I think they're really nice and doing quite well here. So highly recommend you get one. I think they're really, really cool. So anyway, please like and subscribe. That was a short little video on pawpaws, and I hope you're having a really good day and enjoying some nice fall weather.